I'm going to make a quick video on how to use read and write and reader mode when trying to access text-to-speech for websites like this, for articles and such. So with I'm going to use read and write first because that's, I think, commonly used. So for websites like this, it will, well, let me just open it. If you were to hit the play button, it won't read, at least on my end. So I'm just going to go off of what I see. So I'm hitting play and it's not reading. So in order for it to read anything, you have to highlight everything, which, I mean, depending on vision and depending on, it's easy for me because I have a mouse to scroll. But if you're on an, like a Google or what's it called? A Chromebook or whatever, and you're just using the trackpad, that might be kind of hard to hold down the key and then use your other finger to highlight all the way down. So this will work. So if you hit play.
Astronomy, planet Venus, planet Venus, planet Venus, source, NASA, moons, 0, mass, 82% of Earth.
So it does do it, and it sounds fine, and it's great, and it worked just fine. So this is one option. Another way, if there's a lot of text on the screen, you can do Control-A to select all, but then read and write will be reading everything that's selected. So this logo, these tabs, this link part, all the ads. So I'll go ahead and push play. Oops, let me push stop first, and then hit play.
Duckster's educational site. History, biography, geography, science, games, science, physics, astronomy, astronomy, planet Venus, planet Venus, planet Venus, source, NASA, moons, 0, mass, 8.
Okay, so it does work, and it works just fine if that's like your go-to. I just don't love that it is going to be reading all of this. So what I have found is making this into reader mode. So on the Chromebooks or any Chrome browser, there's an extension called reader mode. And if you click that, it will just grab the text from the article. And then you can have it read it aloud using the reader mode. So I'm going to click reader mode extension. And this is not using read and write. This is its own extension. So now it just picks up the text and not all of the outside stuff. And you can change like the font size. Let's do 24. So it's a little easier to read. And there's a bunch of different things. You can change it to white on black. You can change it to this. Oh, I guess I don't have the pro version. So now it's a little easier to read. And then with the pro version, I think you can change the highlight color and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and have it read. And you just do the little speaker button. And then you can change the rate, the pitch, the volume, and then you just push play.
Astronomy for kids. The planet Venus. Science, physics, astronomy, planet Venus. Planet Venus. Source, NASA. What is Venus like? Venus can be best described with 2 words, cloudy and hot.
So it looks like it skipped this part. I'm not sure why. I wonder if I can highlight. Oh, I can tweet it. Oops. So this reader mode will turn it on and off. So you just keep the article open.
Astronomy for kids. The planet Venus.
Yeah, so I guess it skipped this part. So that's something to know. But yeah, I do like reader mode a lot. And it's kind of comparable to the reader mode on Safari for the iPads. I really like that because then you could usually use the 2 fingers, which will be in the next video. So yeah, good luck.